Hi, Jay here with another Feline Countdown. Today, cats making sound science is not yet accounted for. At 5, the grumbler. Young kittens today, no respect. At 4, the second warning. 3 strikes and you're out, buddy. At 3, the double checker. What? No treats. Are you sure? At 2, the opera singer. It ain't over until the cat lady sings. And at 1, the haunted. Be afraid. Be very afraid. Today's countdown proves some cats are fine with baths, which somehow makes it worse. At 5, the calm acceptance. This is happening. I don't like it, but I've accepted it. At 4, the cooperative participant, standing still, making eye contact, judging everyone involved. At 3, the water taster, just checking the flavor. At 2, the escape attempt. Plans were made. Plans have failed. Still trying. And at 1, the fully unbothered. I'm totally fine with this. Which raises more questions than answers. Today, cats talking to birds in a language only they understand. At 5, the window watcher. Eyes locked, teeth clicking, nothing is happening. At 4, the outdoor commentary. Same sound, new location, same frustration. At 3, the duo performance. 2 cats, 1 soundtrack, perfectly out of sync. At 2, the lean in. Closer to the glass, more intense. Still no birds harmed. And at 1, the bedside chatter. Just woken up, still furious about the birds in his dreams. Today's countdown answers the question, what if doors simply didn't matter? At 5, the knob experiment. This feels promising, needs more practice, but we're close. At 4, the push method. No finesse, just force, effective. At 3, the team effort. I'll open the door. You find the snacks. Teamwork. At 2, the vertical leap, a jump and a push. Problem solved. And at 1, the concierge. Just opening the door. For the human, because someone has to. Today, jumping, high stakes, higher confidence. At 5, the obstacle hop, clears it cleanly. Pretends it was easy. At 4, the fridge landing. That height felt ambitious, until it wasn't. At 3, the precision leap, nothing knocked over, nothing touched. Flawless execution. At 2, the circuit run. No jump wasted. Every surface intentional. And at 1, a sequence of jumps, each one cleaner than the last. Absolutely showing off. I'm Jay, and this was the Feline Countdown. Please subscribe, like, and share if you have enjoyed my show.